Good morning. Welcome to Porch Live 2022. Long time no see. Yes, indeed. I haven't been back. I have no idea when my last video was. Oh, but Atlas has gone out to pee. It's now, we've changed seasons in Oregon. It's raining buckets. This will be my first year with no optional southern route. Leave it. I'll give you a picture of Atlas. He wants my coffee. It's morning coffee. Hello, it's morning coffee. And it's taken me this long to get my act together. I can't tell you I can't tell you why you haven't had a video from me. I've just been pooped. I've been drained. Maybe depressed because the house has not been going well. We finally have heating that appears to be working after multiple contractors and multiple visits and probably suing our contractor who did the house. So I'm hoping it doesn't come to that, but I'm concerned it comes to that. However, on a good note, I have decorated my front porch and it's raining. It's really kind of a lot of work to keep this porch up. I love this porch, but it gets dirty really fast. We've been having knitting on Saturdays on the porch, so it's good incentive to keep it tidy, but it's not 100% tidy right now. I'm going to insert a little video of me mopping my porch right now. All right, did you like that? Keeping the porch up and keeping it clean is good because it's so nice when it's warm out to sit out here. I thought we would use the backyard. I thought we would come in the back door. Nope, we go in the front door and we sit on the front porch because we get to see the world go by and the parades and everything. But what I'm going to show you is a couple little craft projects I did on the porch, and you get to see Atlas too. All right, Atlas, can you say hello? Say hello. 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 Can you say hello? Hello. Oh, that's a bark. That's a bark. So there's Atlas. He's out on the porch. Our habit every day is I get up and come downstairs. I have to get him to come downstairs because he's afraid to come down the stairs. A carpet is in our future. And then I get my coffee and he waits. He does not want to come outside first. I get my coffee and I say, "You ready to go out on the porch?" And then we come outside and he goes and does his business out over there. This is the porch in fall. I'm going to walk here to the magnolia tree. Here is the magnolia tree in all its fine glory in the rain. We did have a blossom really lately. We had one last blossom right over there. And I'll go look to see if I have video of it because I do think I took a picture of it. But now we're all seed cones that are dropping. Second drop. So this is an evergreen tree. And this is what an evergreen tree looks like when it drops its leaves. It dropped it before this in July. So this is quite we fill up the yard waste bin about every 2 weeks. Well, I fill it up every week, but then it's full. All right, now back to the patio. I'm gonna have to go out. I got slippers. I'll talk about those in a minute. I'm not gonna go all the way out. So what I've done is Amazon has 25 witches hats for like 20 bucks, 25 bucks. I'll put a link in the description below. And then this porch came with lots of hooks, probably because they decorated for Christmas. So I have witches hats, and I happen to have a handmade broom that I bought at Oregon Flock and Fiber a few years ago, and it's perfect. So just fishing line hooked up. So I have a broom, and then I have my wreath that I made just on the dollar store has a wire rack right back here. You can see it in the back here. A wire frame. And then I just took florist wire and I poked it through I wrapped up bunches of leaves, poked them through, and then I did some intermediary poking through the middle of the leaves. I still had problem down in the gravity zone, so I broke out just some, these are corsage pins that I had from an antique lot. And I poked them in there just because they made me irritated. And then there's some of the seed pods. So that's my door. Oh, and this is ribbon that my aunt gave me, antique ribbon that I just bowed up. Someday I'll show you how to make a bow. They're not hard. If I haven't already. If I have, it would have been for the Christmas, one of the Christmas tutorials from last winter. I'll go look it up, and if I can find it, I'll put it in the links below. But, again, stuff that my aunt painted and gave to me. Pumpkins. Boo. And then I found these feet at the dollar store, witches' feet. And then we have our hats and my broom. So I will step out in the water just for you for a moment. There is my patio. Get back on the dry land. My friend Ylian came over, and so I'm going to take you out with him. He is 6 foot something, 6'2", 6'3", and he stuck his head up under one of the hats and made a creepy, funky Halloween noise. So that's what that's our moment of zen. Not very zen-like, but still a fun moment. All right, I will, if you haven't subscribed, do so. Kelly's been doing the heavy lifting lately. Subscribe, comment, like if you want to see more from me. Come on, guys. Give me comments. Ask me questions. Then I'll come back and do another video where I answer your questions. I hope the house starts going better now. We have heat. Yay! And we've almost fixed a window in the bathroom. I'll take you on another house tour soon. It's really bad. I feel like I'm camping. That's basically why you've not had a video from me, because I'm camping in an old house, and I have been for the last however many months. When did we move in? July? Months. I'm not a camper. I like luxury hotels. We'll get there. All right. See you next time. Bye.
Wait. Where am I? I need to be underneath it. Yeah. Okay.